Hey guys, today I am back here at Universal Studios Orlando Resort, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to show you what's new here in the park, of course, but we're going to get you prepared for summer because the summer months have arrived. We're going to show you what the park looks like, what you can expect when you get here, and a couple of tips here and there to help you beat the crowds, beat the heat, and everything else. So come on and join me. So one of the first things we're going to talk about is parking. Regular is 27, Prime is 60, and Bus and RV is 32. So hopefully that Prime doesn't go back up. Usually it's around 60 during the busy seasons, so I wouldn't think it would go any higher than that. And regular usually around 25, and it's gone up about $2. So you know it's a busy time when this happens. One thing you may want to be aware of is here in the park, when you get here, you may want to get here early during the summer months because parking fills up pretty quick. I'm here at noon today. I slept in lazily, but usually Prime gets you down here, way up here in the morning if you can get here really early. But today I'm over here somewhere, back down that way. So yeah, it just really depends what time you get here, but it's probably a good tip to get here at rope drop. The Minions are going to be a running theme today, just letting you guys know. Currently it's 93 degrees here today. It does feel really humid and hot. I'm wearing black, of course, and I may regret that by the end of the day. One thing you probably want to do is get yourself a cooling towel. I think that would help a lot with wiping your sweat, keeping you cool. It's a really good idea. The Universal sign is still missing from right up here going into CityWalk. What did I tell you? Minions are taking over CityWalk. They're taking over Universal. We're going to get into all that detail, but let's get into the park. Bello, what is this? I'm telling you, it's taking over the park. In all honesty, I didn't think we would get another medallion until the beginning of Halloween Horror Nights. But it adds a little something to the archway, right? I don't know, let me know down in the comments down below if you think this should be here or they should leave it plain Jane. Plain Jane, I bet you ain't heard that one in a while. So here's something interesting. They have the middle open, the gate open at noon. Usually they shut that down within the first hour, but they have it open. So it just means they expect a lot of people. And here's always a good tip to have your tickets ready before you get up here. That way they can scan you, do your fingerprint, and you can get going. It's always good to have them ready to go. And if you're not an app person, they do have guides that you can get here for the park. I recommend the app, but they do have guides. Now, of course, Minion Mayhem is going to be the first ride that you run into when you enter the park. Usually this wait time is pretty high. Right now it's 80 minutes. Now I'm going to show you guys something I've never shown you before. This is outside the queue of Minions Mayhem. And these are actually banana trees that they have planted here. That's pretty crazy. It's pretty cool though. They have them planted right here. Still no confirmation on Shrek 4D's replacement. But I mean, obviously we've talked about this before. Minions walls are all around here. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what's going in here. And I have an idea when we might hear an announcement. And like we said, Monsters Cafe is no longer open. They have these walls up here showing the Minions. Bello. So it's very possible we're gonna get a Minions Cafe. No confirmation for sure yet, but it's cool. Speaking of Minions, here's a Minions photo opportunity right here out in front of the Monsters Cafe or Minions Cafe, whatever it's going to be. You can see here, it looks like you can play a little game here. This is pretty cool. It's nice and sturdy. Look at this. What did that just say? It's a tie. Okay, so it is like a game of tic-tac-toe that you can actually play. That's pretty awesome. Only in theaters July 1st. You guys gonna go see it? I think me and Angie will, just for the heck of it. Yeah, that's pretty cool though. I like that. That's neat. You know, I wonder if the stores are gonna be taken over with Minion stuff, like the wrappings on the front of the store. I bet that's possible. They'll probably do it like tomorrow after I'm not here. Right, but hey, it's time to get hydrated. Let's talk about getting hydrated. Uh-oh, what is this? Is this HHN stuff? No, it's way too early for that. But when I first saw it, I jumped for joy thinking, oh, this is Halloween Horror Night stuff. Most likely heard from a reliable source that this is probably going to be like a special Minions presentation, like a sneak peek of the movie. I was getting ready to say, it's not July or August yet. It would be way, way too early to start putting out HHN stuff, even though they are working on it, but it's just way too early to put stuff out here in the park. Another one of your best bets is to get one of these FREESTYLE Coca-Cola cups here at Universal. You can actually get one, you can get 2, 3, or 4. The more you get, the cheaper it gets, but I bring this for water because I don't drink soda. So let me show you how you can get some free water. All right, you can see the list here.
Push it on.
Yeah, see the list there. There's water right there. Let's get water. Of course, I'm gonna fill up some ice. It doesn't have any ice, so we got water selected there. Here we go. Free water. See, I didn't even have to fill my cup up. It said I was out of refills, but free water right there. That easy. And even though they didn't have any ice in there, this water is still pretty cold. All right, let's get moving. Also, another way to cool off here in the summer is to go into the tribute store. The summer tribute store, to be exact. E.T., Jaws, Back to the Future, and Kong all in here. So let's go in here, cool off, and there's a couple of new items of merch that I want to show you guys. Oh man, it is so nice and cool in here. Okay, a couple of things E.T., a couple of things Back to the Future. Let me show you. I haven't even recognized this until today. This is $95. E.T. hidden in the plush statue. It's pretty cool. I mean, it was literally right here beside me. I was reading this and I was so confused. I was like, that's $95? No, no way. But yeah, there it is, the little statue there. Look at this E.T. cup here. Old school glass. This is pretty amazing. See, it says Universal Studios Florida on the other end. And the attraction opened in 1990. All right, I saw my buddy Micah point this out the other day. Here's all these here. A Raggedy Ann doll, Annabelle. Okay, and here's E.T. right there in the middle. This is pretty cool. I haven't seen this yet. Look at this Tervis cup. This is awesome. By the way, we are now in the Jaws section. This one is $25. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. And I haven't seen these either. This is pretty cool. That's awesome. Now this is cool. Look at this. This is awesome. It's got like a almost like a Under Armour material to it. Price tag on that one is $35. That's pretty slick. All right, well, I didn't think we were going to show any Jaws stuff, but let's get to Back to the Future because there's a new Loungefly over here. Hopefully they still have it, but I want to show you guys. And yes, they do. Look at this thing. That is so cool. Got the clock there. That's so awesome, man. I love that. Look at the backside of it, or the side of it. Back to the Future Loungefly. It's pretty awesome. They also have this little wallet too. This is pretty cool. Powered by flux capacitor. That is awesome. That's so cool. Price tag on this one is $55 for this. And then they have this Loungefly purse, which is really cool too. That's awesome. You can see the other side of it there. That's pretty amazing. By the way, price tag on this one is $79. Also, look at this shirt. This is awesome. $40 for this one. That is pretty cool. And look at this. This is really cool. You are my density. These little placard signs would be perfect for my office. And then, of course, they have this ET ornament, which is pretty cool. Universal pass holder ornament, which is awesome. I like these old school cases, which are cool. Do they have it in the 13? Nope, I don't see it. And they put a U design in here too, so you can design your own case, your own watch band, all that kind of stuff. Pretty cool. And I have decided to pick up this Universal Studios shirt. This is the back. This is the front. I don't have a good Universal shirt, so I need to get one. All I have is Halloween Horror Nights. Here's some more details that was added to the Tribute store. Look at this. Tribute Theater reopens, having shed all previous curses, ? To great fanfare and success. Notice there's a question mark beside that. This is leading to Halloween Horror Nights, I'm telling you. Also, look, we may have a clue right here. Pumpkin guts. Huh. It's pretty cool. And they have some Mad magazines up there too. That's cool. Also, I noticed the year 1982 is circled too. Maybe. Just maybe. I love when Universal starts giving out hints. Looks like we're about to get a Blues Brothers show in just a few minutes. Maybe we should wait for just a minute. Also, ran into some of you guys out here at the park. Make sure if you run into us, you always say hello. We love to talk to you. We love to say hello to you and learn about your vacation and what you're doing. Don't be afraid. Just come say hey. So it's another great form of something you can do here at Universal besides riding rides. You can watch a show. You can't really cool off there, but you know, at least you can rest. So yes, it's no surprise, Central Park Crepes still has the walls up, not doing anything here. Also, the walkway here over to Kids Zone and everything like that, it also still has walls up over there, so you'd have to go around through Central Park this way to get to Simpsons and all that way. So they're just repaving it, getting it ready, I'm sure, for Halloween Horror Nights. How cool does Stranger Things Season 4 Scare Zone be right there? If you've seen Season 4, you know how cool it would be. Not gonna give anything away, but still. They actually have another Minions photo op, The Rise of Gru, right over here out front of the horror makeup show. Usually it's like Hollywood there. All right, so it's time to head out of the park. I want to show you something at CityWalk that just got announced like 20 minutes ago. So let's go out there and I'm going to show you. But wait, before we go, let's go into the studio store and see something new that's in here. Take a look at this new Jurassic World mug. It's awesome. From Jurassic World Dominion. It has Universal Studios on the inside. It's a pretty hefty mug. It's pretty nice. It's $17 for this. Here's a small thing. They got rid of the turnstiles. You too, thank you. Huh, it's different. All right, so our last update today comes from CityWalk. Right here beside the Legacy store, if you just go straight, right back here, where the hot dogs are, the anajitos, go right back here and let's take a look at something that Universal announced today. All right, so right here, where the Groove Music Venue or club used to be, there's something new going in here, a new attraction. Universal has announced today that going in here will be Universal's Great Movie Escape. So these are going to be escape rooms themed to Back to the Future and Jurassic World. And it's coming this fall. That's right, this fall. So the Groove has been shut down for a while. This has been speculated for a while that it would become an escape room. But now the official word from Universal is this will become an escape room. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait, and we will be here opening day for that. We're gonna do both of them. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for me today from Universal Studios Orlando Resort. We hope you guys got a glimpse into what summer is gonna look like, what to expect here, how to prepare for summer. Also, we showed you some things that are new here, some things that are exciting and things that are coming. Universal's starting to ramp up with all the news, so just be prepared. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you're updated on every new video and all the new updates here from Universal, Walt Disney World, SeaWorld, whatever. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the road goes ever on. We'll see you next time.